All right, guys, here's our chicken wings. It's washed. As you already know, I washed them with fresh lime juice, a little salt, a little vinegar, and then rinse it under hot water. Okay? And then what I have here is 2 eggs and then some milk. To that, I'm just going to add some salt. I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay? And you just beat that together nicely. Because you're trying to flavor every layer of your chicken. Okay? And then to your flour, I'm going to add, this is my chicken seasoning. I have some onion and some garlic powder and some seasoning salt. Okay? So I'm just going to mix all this together. All right. So you could use whatever chicken seasoning, poultry seasoning that you like. Okay, this is mine. Then I just add all of this deliciousness to our flour. And then you just mix it like that. So now what I will do is I like to add, I guess that's the Haitian in me, on my chicken, although we're not going to boil it, but I like to add a little bit of fresh lime back in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that like that. And then we're going to dip our chicken into our egg and milk mixture. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in my flour, cover it, go back in, take some off, and put it back into my mixture because I want a nice and crispy piece of chicken. Okay? And then once I get it, I like to go in and kind of smash it together so I can get that nice, see, so I can create those flakes in there like this. I hope you can see it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do this one. Let me just go ahead and show you another one. You dip it in your seasoned egg. Put this in there like this. Okay, you dust the extra off. You put it back in like this. I know my hand might be in the way, guys. Okay, you get off the eggs, and then I bring it back like this, cover it, and then I kind of squeeze it, okay, so I can make sure I get some of those, a nice crispy crust on this. Shake off the extra, put it down. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other ones, and then I'll come back and show you. All right, guys, I have some oil inside of our cast iron pan, so I'm gonna add our chicken. You want to make sure your oil is hot, but not too hot. Okay? We're going to add our chicken in like this. We're going to let them cook all the way through. And you want to keep them spread apart, so you don't want them too close. Okay? And once my chicken once it's time to flip it, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Just trying to show you. You go ahead and flip it over. You see how nice and crispy these chickens are. So I'm going to let them cook, and then I'm going to come back and show you how. Alright guys, here is the final product. Our chicken is looking absolutely fabulous. I know you can hear the rest of them frying in the background. Just to make sure that your chicken is cooking the inside, just go ahead and get you a thermometer, and once it reads 160, you're fine, because it rests and the temperature is going to still go up to 165. So 165 is for poultry, is cooked, so you don't have to worry about getting any type of food poisoning. Until next time, guys, please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe.